As we navigate through life's journey, many of us encounter the discomfort of joint pain at some point. Whether it's a dull ache or a sharp, debilitating sensation, joint pain can significantly impact our daily activities and overall well-being. In this comprehensive guide, I'll introduce you to a simple yet powerful morning water trick that can help alleviate joint pain and promote healthier joints. Common causes of joint pain. Joint pain can arise from various factors, including injury, arthritis, inflammation, and age-related wear and tear. Some of the most common causes include osteoarthritis. This degenerative condition occurs when the protective cartilage within the joints wears down over time, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder that causes chronic inflammation in the joints, resulting in pain, swelling, and potential joint deformity. Injury, trauma to the joints, such as sprains, fractures, or dislocations, can lead to joint pain and impaired function. Overuse, repetitive motions or excessive strain on the joints can cause inflammation and pain, commonly seen in athletes or those with physically demanding jobs. The importance of hydration for joint health. While joint pain can have various underlying causes, one often overlooked factor is dehydration. Our joints rely on the lubrication provided by synovial fluid, which helps cushion the bones and facilitate smooth movement. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining the viscosity and volume of this fluid, ensuring optimal joint function. The benefits of morning water for joint pain. Drinking water first thing in the morning can offer numerous benefits for joint health. Here are some of the key advantages. Improved lubrication. By replenishing the body's fluids, morning water helps maintain the viscosity of synovial fluid, reducing friction and promoting smoother joint movement. Reduced inflammation. Dehydration can contribute to inflammation, which exacerbates joint pain. Staying hydrated helps reduce inflammation and alleviate discomfort. Nutrient absorption. Water aids in the absorption and transportation of essential nutrients that support joint health, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Toxin elimination. Adequate hydration supports the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to flush out harmful toxins that can contribute to joint inflammation and pain. How to make the powerful morning water. The morning water trick is simple yet incredibly effective. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, approximately 8–10 ounces, 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of raw, organic honey, optional. Preparation: start your day by drinking a glass of warm water upon waking up. This helps rehydrate your body after a night's rest. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to the warm water. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and swelling. If desired, you can add a teaspoon of raw, organic honey to the mixture. Honey not only adds a touch of sweetness but also provides antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can further support joint health. Stir the mixture well and drink it slowly, savoring each sip. Incorporating the morning water into your daily routine to experience the full benefits of this powerful morning water trick. Consistency is key. Here are some tips for seamlessly integrating it into your daily routine. Set a reminder. Place a glass and a bottle of apple cider vinegar on your nightstand or kitchen counter as a visual cue to prepare and drink the morning water. Pair it with other routines. Combine drinking the morning water with existing habits, such as brushing your teeth or preparing breakfast, to create a seamless routine. Adjust the timing. If drinking warm water first thing in the morning doesn't suit you, you can consume the mixture within the first hour of waking up. Gradually increase the amount. If you find the taste of apple cider vinegar too strong initially, start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it over time as your taste buds adjust. Other natural remedies for joint pain. While the morning water trick can be a powerful ally in managing joint pain, it's essential to explore other natural remedies that can complement your journey to better joint health. Here are some additional options to consider. Anti-inflammatory diet. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, to help reduce inflammation and support joint health. Exercise and stretching. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or yoga can improve joint mobility and strengthen the surrounding muscles, reducing the strain on your joints. Herbal supplements. Certain herbs, such as turmeric, ginger, and boswellia, have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation. Topical treatments. Applying warm or cold compresses, essential oils, or creams containing natural anti-inflammatory ingredients like arnica or menthol can provide localized relief for joint pain. Lifestyle changes for preventing joint pain. In addition to incorporating natural remedies, making lifestyle changes can play a crucial role in preventing and managing joint pain. Here are some strategies to consider. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight puts additional stress on your joints, increasing the risk of pain and further damage. Aim for a balanced diet and regular exercise to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. Proper posture and ergonomics. Be mindful of your posture when sitting, standing, or engaging in physical activities. Adjust your workstation, furniture, and equipment to promote proper alignment and reduce strain on your joints. Stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to inflammation and exacerbate joint pain. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to promote relaxation and overall well-being. Adequate sleep. Getting sufficient quality sleep is essential for the body's natural healing and repair processes, including those related to joint health. When to seek medical help for joint pain. While natural remedies and lifestyle changes can be effective in managing joint pain, it's crucial to recognize when medical intervention is necessary. Seek professional medical advice if you experience severe or persistent joint pain that doesn't improve with self-care measures, significant swelling or redness around the affected joint, difficulty moving or bearing weight on the affected joint, fever or other signs of infection accompanying the joint pain. Your healthcare provider can accurately diagnose the underlying cause of your joint pain and provide appropriate treatment options, which may include medication, physical therapy, or surgical interventions if necessary. Conclusion. Embracing the power of morning water for joint pain relief. Joint pain can be a debilitating condition that impacts our daily lives, but the good news is that simple, natural remedies like the powerful morning water trick can offer relief. By incorporating this hydrating and anti-inflammatory elixir into your daily routine, you can support joint health, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of this powerful morning water trick. Combine it with other natural remedies, lifestyle changes, and professional medical guidance when needed, and you'll be well on your way to saying goodbye to joint pain and embracing a life of greater mobility and comfort. If you're ready to bid farewell to joint pain and embrace a life of greater mobility and comfort, start your journey today with the powerful morning water trick. Visit our website to learn more about natural remedies, lifestyle tips, and personalized support for joint health. Don't let joint pain hold you back any longer. Take control of your well-being and experience the freedom of movement you deserve.